All right, it's time to create with Quimby. Our DIY expert, Shannon Quimby, showing us how to repurpose a spare bifold door into a corner shelf. Now, these doors are often used for bedroom closets.
Yeah, I think this is such a genius idea, and we are not afraid to get our hands dirty today. We got some gloves on, ready to get the paint going. Oh yeah, Shannon joins us now in the studio to walk us through this DIY project. Welcome back.
Good morning.
Thank you very much. Yes.
What a great idea. You sent me this and I was like, Shannon, where do you come up with this stuff?
Yeah, well, because I'm tired of looking at things that are ugly.
Fair enough.
I mean, right? Most bifold doors are.
Yeah,
you know, and
they're a little dated.
Yeah, a lot dated. Yeah. A lot dated. Yeah. So I thought, you know, why don't we? And because I'm remodeling a house, Hoff's Homestead out in McMinnville. Got to follow that with PARR lumber. And I had these bifold doors, and I was like, we got to get rid of them. So, so for the purpose, because they're tall, right? So I cut the second one because they always come in pairs.
Right.
Right. We got to have more than what we need. So I cut this in thirds.
Okay.
So you guys, we weren't trying to paint something.
Right. Yeah. You got to make it easy
That's
for
right.
them.
Yeah,
So we got
our little,
mini ones.
Practice mini shelf.
So the first thing you want to do is, if it's glossy, and I'm gonna so you can see a sheen on that.
Okay.
Right
Yeah,
there.
you can see that reflection there from the camera.
Exactly. Yeah. And it's funny because in most cases, that's the outside of the door.
Right.
On the inside, they're usually not, because that's the, you know, but you want to make sure you want to sand that down, because anything that you put on it, paint or so forth, is not gonna
It's not gonna stay.
So speaking of paint, why don't you guys each grab a brush, okay, and you start painting, and I'll go through the rest of the process.
Just on the inside here?
Wherever you want.
Oh, dangerous.
Oh,
Okay.
it's a Travis DIY.
I know, it really is.
Oh boy,
I never knew how to stay in between the lines.
Okay.
So I'm sanding. Then, depending on your bifold door, you know, this one has panels, classic 1970s panels, late early 80s. And on this one, I decided to put 4 shelves.
Okay.
And I just got a piece of hemlock. And this is a, oh gosh, what is this? This is a 1/2 inch by 12 inches.
Okay.
You want to have the shelf that is going to be about a 1/2 inch shorter than the bifold when you open up the bifold door. See how this one's open up? Because you don't want the board to stick out farther than the shelf.
That makes sense.
Okay.
That makes total sense.
See, yeah,
No corners to, you know, bonk into.
Exactly.
Yep.
And I did 4 shelves. You know, it doesn't. You guys can do 2. You can do 3, 5. It doesn't matter.
Okay.
And so you cut that, and then you'll sand the edges so it's nice and smooth. And then I'm gonna set this down. And then the next step is you want to basically, by securing the shelves, you're gonna pre-drill in the back here, and then you just put screws in the back.
That's what I was wondering. I was like, how do you get this to
make it actually
stay? And then once you screw in the shelves, that's going to stabilize the door.
Yes,
So it's not
yes,
gonna be
because
moving
the door will collapse all the way, you know,
Right.
flat. And I did this one. I did half it, so I did one side over here, and then, you know, I flapped it like this. Okay, and so that's why I have yours down on the side like that.
This is even kind of cool, just in thirds. Like, you could use this for something, I feel like, even though it's not the whole thing.
I know.
You can do a mini version.
Desktop touch or something. Yeah,
Exactly.
totally.
So, but a key thing that you do want to do is you do want to pre-drill
Okay.
a smaller hole for your wood screw, because if you don't, it'll probably splinter.
Gotcha.
Okay, going in. So that is kind of a big DIY little tip.
Yeah,
Okay?
yeah.
And then also, I know, and this one's even cute. I even left the handle on it.
Right.
On the outside.
Yeah,
right
see,
there.
I think it's a nice touch. I think it's fun too.
But yeah, little mini guys. And then the last step is you just take any leftover paint you have or stain.
Right.
Notice that this hemlock, this wood, is a slightly different sheen than the door.
Right.
And that's why I decided to paint it. But you can stain it. You can do multiple colors. It doesn't matter. But once again, it's a very simple DIY that you can just get, one piece of long wood, cut it up into sections, and reuse a bifold door.
I'm gonna flip this up. I'm gonna stand it up.
Yeah.
There we go.
Yeah.
Yeah, and honestly, and so here's the other thing too that I love about a DIY. In addition to customizing whatever paint colors, stain colors you want, you salvaged these doors.
Yes.
This is solid wood, right? So you're making this really nice solid wood sturdy shelf. If you were to buy something like this in the store, a solid wood shelf, couple $100, several $100. I mean, it's not cheap unless you're going to go particle board. So
you're absolutely right.
This is a really solid piece of furniture now.
You're absolutely right. And the thing is, we always need more storage, and we always have these dead spaces in our houses, these corners.
Sure.
You know, so, you know, why not tuck it in the corner? Or like you said, Travis, a little mini one, put it on the desk.
This is also like if you're, you know, if you live maybe in a condo or an apartment where maybe you don't have the space of a full house, you can do, you have this different size option here that makes total sense.
Well, let Shannon know if you want the Emily and Travis special. It's a real fine piece of furniture here.
Sorry for the Travis side of
this.
It's
okay.
Yeah, Emily, you're fixing my work.
You know, we're just gonna do a second coat. It's gonna be all good.
It's gonna be fine. It's gonna be fine. It's gonna
give me a commercial break here. I'll get this whipped into shape.
Fair enough. I deserve it. I deserve it. All right, Shannon, always great to see you. Great idea. Love this one.
Yeah, and this one donated to Habitat for Humanity at the Restore in McMinnville. So come on down and you guys can, you know, support them and buy this. Yeah,
that's awesome. Shannon, thanks so much for the full list of instructions and materials for this DIY. If you're inspired, want to do it yourself, you can check it out on KOIN6.com. And as Shannon mentioned, be sure to follow her on Facebook for giveaways and more, and follow along on Instagram to see all the stuff you're doing at this homestead. It's really cool.